Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. So yesterday we have covered about the setup part of the cash advance. So today we will be covering about cash advance creation, JV posting and expense report creation. So let's get started. For creating cash advance, go to expense management, my expenses, cash advance. Click on new button. So select purpose of your cash advance. Then you have to select your location, which is a basic information. And now you have to enter requested amount as my cash advance, and after that submit the workflow. So for workflow, since this workflow approver is myself only, so this workflow will be coming to my ID. So let me go back, refresh this, and you will see this status is in review and I can approve this. So I will approve this. It will take some time to approve. So let me check the workflow history. Once it is approved, we will jump to that part. Now the workflow is completed and you can see the status is approved. Once it is approved, we can go to expense management and we need to pay and transfer the cash advance. For that, we have to go to expense management, process cash advance, approved cash advance. So click on approved cash advance. You will see our requested amount 1000 is available. So once it is approved, we have to click on pay and transfer. So I will be clicking on pay and transfer. It will ask for posting date. I will not touch this things. Let me click on OK. So once it is transferred, once it is if it will validate, if everything is okay, it will post one journal. So let's go to that journal. I will show you that journal. So for checking journal, we have to go to modules, general ledger. Under the journal entries, you will see journal, and under the posted section, you will find that journal is 09. And let me click on lines. You will see this is the journal entry. So here you will see my advance account is debited and my vendor is credited. So let me show you the vouchers for this. Here you will see my cash advance is debit and my vendor balance is credit. So similarly, you can check the vendor balance as well. So if I go to all vendors and check the vendor transaction, here you will see 1000 is posted and it is credited in the vendor account. Now let me go back. So this once this is approved, I can now create an expense for this. So since this cash advance is allotted to the vendor, I can create expense report and I can claim that cash advance accordingly. So for claiming expense, I need to create expense report. So I will be creating expense report. For creating expense report, I have to go to expense management, my expense and expense report. Click on new button. Here select your purpose, meeting, and select your location, which is Jaipur. Click OK. Now select your category. So in my case it is mail and I will be mentioning, let's say 700. Click on save, and after that you can either attach receipt or the things, but I will not cover that thing in this video. I have covered that in a separate video, which is my previous video. You can watch that video. So submit the workflow. Now it is in review status. So since I am the approver, I will approve this, and after once this workflow is at the approval stage, I will jump to that part. Now under the workflow, approve button is coming. I will be approving this and approve. So it is still in review. Let's jump once it is approved. Now this is approved. I can go to, once it is approved, I can post this. For posting this, I have to go to expense management. Posting this expense report, I have to go to expense management, process expense report. I will click on all expense report. Now this is already posted and processed for payment. Let's go to cash advance and see what is happening in that. So if you see, the status is paid, and if I open the cash advance, my balance is remaining 300. So if you see, I have spent 700 rupees on my meal, and the balance remaining for this cash advance is 300, so which also I can consume. So once these entries are posted, you can go to general ledger, and under the periodic task, sub ledger journal entries not yet transferred, you can transfer that, and you can see the all the relevant transaction after that. So make sure that you have transferred all the sub ledger entries, and you can see the related transaction for that. This is the transaction, 1000 cash advance transaction. After that, we have spent 700 with the expense report number. This is my expense report, which is 700 expense report number. Here you can see your expense report number. So this is how you can use expense cash advance with expense report in D365 Finance and Operation. And I have covered about cash advance process and cash advance flow, how it works, and along with setup and configuration required for cash advance. So if you have any doubt or question, you can reach me in the comment, and I will reply as soon as possible to you for your queries and questions in the comment section. So please let me know if you have any doubt or question. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye. See you in the next one.